Well, getting a bank loan really is a pretty straightforward process. Most banks are going to ask for the same types of things. They're going to want to see at least 2 years of tax returns for the business and for the owner's personal. Generally, if there is any owner greater than 20%, they're going to want to see that owner's personal tax returns. They're going to want to see a personal financial statement for the owner, which is basically all of the assets that the owners have against all the liabilities. What they're looking for obviously is some financial stability, some ability to pay the loan back should the business not be able to do that. So you've got your tax returns, you've got your personal financial statement. They're going to want to see current financial statements from the company. So if you don't have a bookkeeping software that's being updated on a regular basis, you're going to want to get something put together before you approach the bank. They're definitely going to want to see a current financial statement, as current as you can get. Generally within 90 days is about as far back as they'll let you go. Basically, that's the bulk of the information that they're going to be looking for. Now, some of the difficulties you can run into would be if one of the owners has poor personal credit. That's always a sticking point. I know that most business owners say, well, I'm not trying to borrow it personally, I'm trying to borrow it from the company. But you have to understand, from a bank's perspective, for many small businesses, they don't really make a distinction between the company and the owner. If the owner has a poor history of personally being able to pay things back, they're going to assume that the business has taken on that quality as well, rightly or wrongly. So in general, you need strong personal credit. You need at least 2 years showing that the company can cash flow enough to pay back whatever amount you're lending. You're going to need, generally speaking, some collateral outside of the business, unless the business has strong collateral itself. And you're going to need to have accurate and complete financial statements for 2 years, plus tax returns and current statements.